Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I've just had the busiest week. It's 10 to 6 on a Friday arvo. Just went for a swim. Basically, I had planned to film this whole week from start to finish to show you what my weeks look like. However, it didn't pan out that way. I just had too much on. I had a fair few installs, service work, everything. But anyway, I'm actually working tomorrow and I'm going to film that, so that will be this video, just so I can get my weekly video out. But what I wanted to say quickly is I have a big job kicking off next Friday, and I'll be there for quite a while doing a Dakin VRV, a few other Dakin systems in the same house, and it's going to be all integrated together, and it's going to have it's basically going to be automated and hooked into their home automation. It's going to be awesome opportunity to show you guys what I like to do and what I like specialize in. So I'm going to get a lot of content of that. So for the people that have been asking me to get some videos of like VRV indoor units and how I wire them and integrate them all together and stuff, I'm going to be getting a lot of content, so stay tuned for that. I've actually got for the next couple of months, I've got heaps of VRV work on. So this year is very busy. It started off just very busy. Got a lot on. There's going to be a lot of videos moving forward. This week was just way too busy to do anything. So anyway, I hope everyone's had a good week. This video is just going to be a compressor change and maybe a service call before that. I don't know yet, but anyway, I will see you on the next one. Let's go. so that old compressor is out, this one, and the new compressor is in. So basically the story behind that one was the customer is an electrician, and he contacted me and said that the compressor was down to earth. So he's got his mega out and the windings are down to earth, so definitely faulty. And just asked if I can come out and replace the compressor. So basically I'm like, yep, no worries, all good. I rang up Actron, apparently on one of these digital Copeland scrolls there's a 12-week wait. The customer rang up Actron directly and picked one up the next day. Anyway, so he got the compressor, he diagnosed the compressor, I just went out there to change it over, and I've done that. However, there's always a reason why these things fail. Like, it doesn't just burn out for no reason. So basically I've gone there and replaced the compressor, although I saw that the condensing unit was absolutely chock-a-block, and for me, what I want to do and what we've decided to do is basically we're going to put a burnout dryer on it, as well as a liquid line dryer, and also take the strainers out. If you're going to do a full service on this thing, so like open the lines, change the compressor, I always take those strainers out. I think they're absolutely rubbish and they just get blocked up, so take them out. Definitely clean that condensing coil because it was filthy. Obviously didn't have time for all that just in a service call, but anyway, that's the plan. So took that off just to have a look, because I've never actually seen inside a digital scroll compressor before. Pretty weird. Anyway, I was just curious. But yeah, basically, sorry about the short video. I've been way too busy this week. But yeah, so basically this job, I just took some footage of me putting the compressor in, but we need to put a burnout dryer on because this thing burnt out, and we're going to do some more stuff like do a condenser clean, and take those strainers out whilst we've got everything open. So that's the plan, that's the go, and yeah, hope everyone had a good week, and I'll see you on the next one.